noise that just went off is it's a sensor, and it tells you that your grain bin is 70% full. So it will set off 3 lights on the outside of the harvester for the bank outs to see, and they know that I'm getting filled up. Another sensor will go off at 100%, at 100% capacity, and you can't go very far after that. So, and they can see the top of the rice mound getting taller. So he's here now, and so I'm going to push a button, and you can see the auger and the mirror coming out. And now it's going to come all the way over here.